All right, keep coming back just a foot. Now drop the blade onto the dunnage. Perfect.
Smart dozers think for themselves, utilizing LiDAR terrain mapping and AI path planning for a 3D designed surface loaded into system, GPS receivers on blade and roof, real-time position accuracy to
The sonic sensors constantly measure the blade position, while the laser receivers ensure precise grade checking. Electric dozers, the silent revolution.
2.108, hybrid technology, diesel-electric hybrid, energy recovery from blade lowering, battery storage.
Automatic ripper depth control engaged. Monitoring track tension. Engine RPM stabilizing.
Keep going. Maintain steady pressure. Wait for the confirmation tone once you hit the 25 Newton meters.
Cold weather package, engine block heater, hydraulic oil heater, Arctic hydraulic oil, heated cab seats.
2.113. Hot climate package, oversized radiator, high coolant head, engine and free.
built for the harshest environments.
Proximity detection sensors, 360-degree camera views, blind spot monitoring, operator presence sensing.
As you can see here, the eco mode and auto idle features significantly reduce fuel waste, bringing us down to just half a gallon per hour.
Emissions compliance, Tier 4 final or final 3-stage emission conform with discharge, deterioration, generation, over
2.1118. Serviceability design, ground level service points, grouped filters for easy access.
Extended life components, wet sleeve cylinder liners, rebuildable engine, sealed track joints, extended lube intervals. Track link heat treatment, conveyor loading links into continuous heat treat furnace, austenitizing at 1050 degrees Celsius.
One machine. Infinite possibilities.
Even in this snow, they're completely reliable.
We've improved our productivity significantly.
My operators are very happy with these machines.
70 years of innovation have transformed these machines, making them stronger, cleaner, and far more efficient.
The people behind the power.
This diagnostic tool helps us pinpoint the exact issue with the rotor assembly. See how the voltage fluctuates there?
Yes, calibrating the sensor now, it seems to be working.
Track pins harder than armor plating. Through CNC turning and case hardening at 920 degrees Celsius, the surface achieves HRC.
Track shoe welding, Grouser shoes positioned on track pad, robotic welder following path.
Final drives deliver unstoppable torque. 2.18 Final drive installation. Travel motor bolting to gearbox. Output shaft coupling.
Idler wheel assembly. Front idler casting, bearing bore machining, sealed bearings installed.
blade will push houses off foundations.
Blade edge hardening, flame hardening equipment. Oxyacetylene torches heating cutting edge to 900 degrees Celsius. Water quench.
Cutting edge installation, replaceable bolt-on cutting edge, reversible design, hardened steel segments, grade 8 installs. Blade cylinders generate 40 tons of push force. Hydraulic blade cylinder manufacturing, cylinder barrel honing. Blade tilt mechanism. Hydraulic tilt cylinders allowing blade angle adjustment, spherical bearings for articulation, ball.
Ripper shanks break through rock like butter.
Sound bracket, mounting pocket machining. Pivot pin bore, replaceable rip or Tinsland location, wear plate welding.
Mainframe fabrication. 80 mm thick steel plate arriving on conveyor. Laser cutting system tracing frame outline. Precision.
Ripper beam fabrication, heavy-duty box section construction, three-shank structural positions.
Ripper cylinders pull with 30 tons of force.
Ripper assembly, beam-mounted dozer frame with large pivot pins, lift cylinders connected, hydraulic hoses routed.
Blade pitch adjustment, mechanical linkage or hydraulic pitch control. The blade angle is optimized for dozing versus grading.
Blade side shift. Hydraulic side shift allows blade offset, clearing ditches or obstacles.
Every blade configuration for every job.
Receiver's arm angles calculated for optimal blade force. Linkage design allowing blade float mode. Self-leveling capability. Mechanical advantage through
Blade protection, wear strips on blade sides and top, bolt-on protection bars, cutting edge wear indicators, field and
Every weld must hold against mountain crushing force.
Complete blade system test. Mounting on dozer chassis, hydraulic function check, raise, lower.
This engine produces 400 horsepower of raw power.
Specification verification complete. The engine matches the work order and is ready for shipping.
Okay, she's seated.
Torquing the final bolt now. Heard the click.
And then, hydrodynamic fluid coupling, automatic transmission connection, spline alignment critical, mounting bell housing.
Power shift transmission, 3 forward, 3 reverse.
Transmission mounting, bolting to engine block, input shaft to torque converter connection, output shaft to final drive connections.
We install a large capacity radiator for high ambient temperature operation, including mounting brackets, coolant hose
2.48, cooling system setup, water pump drive, thermostat housing, coolant overflow reservoir, temperature sensors, radiator cap.
turbocharger, doubles engine power.
The fuel system includes a 400-liter diesel fuel tank installation, a supply pump, a high-pressure common. Every drop of fuel is metered precisely.
255, engine electrical. We'll review the wiring harness routing, ECM location, sensor connections, and the dual battery bank hookup.
Hydraulic reservoir, 200-liter tank, baffle plates inside for oil deaeration, suction strainer, return filter.
Cooling system test. Can it handle 50 degrees Celsius desert heat?
The cab is an operator's second home.
Cab mounting, isolation mounts reducing vibration transmission to a male operator, 4-point suspension, rubber bushings,
Controls at your fingertips. Pedal assembly, forward, reverse direction control, inching pedal, throttle lock, and parking brake pedal.
Climate control. HVA system with air conditioning and heating.
Visibility like never before.
X-ray inspection reveals what eyes cannot see.
Electrical panel, fuse box accessible in cab, relay panel, circuit breakers, radio installation.
Cab accessories, fire extinguisher mounting, first aid kit storage, document holder, cup holders, storage compartments, coat hook.
Grade control technology. Dig to the millimeter.
Telematics system.
Control pattern selection allows you to switch between ISO and SAE. Joystick response curves are adjustable, and your operator preference settings are saved.
Hydraulics, the muscle behind the machine.
.82, 2.82. Hydraulic hose routing. High pressure hoses, rated 5,000 psi. Crimped.
Steering system, hydraulic steering control unit, steering cylinders for track steering, differential braking steering.
Blade control valves, separate spool for blade lift, tilt, and pitch. Pilot pressure control, detents for blade float mode.
Ripper control valves.
Testing every function 50 times. Function testing. Blade raise on lower cycles. Tilt left, right. Ripper.
Engine run-in, varying RPM loads, checking for abnormal noises, exhaust smoke color should be light gray, vibration check, first 50 hours break-in period begins.
We begin with forged steel roller blanks and CNC turning. Heat treatment at 850 degrees Celsius is followed by oil quenching and precision grinding.
Paint preparation. Paint preparation. Pressure washing entire machine. Masking components not to be painted. Surface cleaning with solvent.
Paint tough enough for battle zones.
We've got a definite squeal coming from the lower engine, and I can see some fresh oil on the housing.
Quality inspection. 0 defects accepted. This weld is unacceptable. Reject this unit. Service manual, parts catalog, warranty registration, operator training guide, maintenance schedule, safety manual, all documents in waterproof bag in cab.
$2.99. Pre-delivery. Cleaning cab interior, washing exterior, touch-up paint, applying protective film to glass, hour meter reading recorded, pre-delivery inspection report completed.
Each roller carries 5 tons.